Hey everybody, and welcome back to It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. Today we are going to be showing you how to make Popeyes Mardi Gras mustard sauce. Hit it! Alright, as always, thank you so much for watching. If this is your first time though, please do me a favor. Go down and hit that subscribe button in the corner and then hit that notification bell so you can be notified each time I upload new content. Alright, well you clicked on this video to have me show you how to make Popeyes Mardi Gras mustard sauce. Let's drop down here, see what our ingredients are for this. We've got 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, 1 tablespoon of whole grain mustard, 1 tablespoon of spicy brown mustard, 2 teaspoons of prepared horseradish, 1/4 teaspoon of Cajun seasoning, 1/4 teaspoon of crushed red pepper, 1/8 of a teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/16 of a teaspoon of cayenne, and 2 teaspoons of packed brown sugar. Alright, well let's go ahead and start mixing this up. Alright, we got our bowl that's big enough to contain all of our ingredients, so let's start putting them in there. I've got the mayonnaise, the grain mustard, our hot and spicy mustard. Go ahead and throw our brown sugar in there. Our horseradish, I got horseradish sauce, you can use either one, sauce or straight horseradish. Then we got our Cajun seasoning, our crushed red pepper, our garlic powder, and our cayenne in there. All we're going to do is mix this up. I'm going to add it to a little bowl. We're going to take some awesome photos of it with some groovy music. Enjoy those. We'll come back and taste it. Those were some pretty nice photos and some groovy music. Now let's taste this and see. I think it's going to be hot. I got an awful lot on these fries, so if I start sweating, you'll know why. Not too bad. Good flavor. The mayonnaise kind of cuts that mustard and the horseradish. I am using a horseradish sauce too, not straight horseradish, but either way it'll work because the horseradish sauce is cut with the mayonnaise. We're using mayonnaise anyway. But definitely good hot mustard flavor coming through here. Not as spicy as I thought it would be. That brown sugar does a little bit to cut it too. This is really, really good. Be good on a sandwich, on a burger, dipping chicken strips in there. Pretty good on fries as well. Hey, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so already. Leave a comment below, like this video, and share this video with everybody you know. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.